about the load test on DC shunt motor. So actually the load test means to analyze the performance of the DC shunt motor. So for that we are conducting the load test. So we need the rheostat to vary the speed of the DC shunt motor, and the voltmeter to measure the value of the voltage, and ammeter to know the what are the currents are taken when we are applying the load to the the motor. So these are the some basic requirements. So here the panel setup is here. So this is the input DC supply is available. This is the fuse, then this is the indicator, and this is the MCB, main MCB. So this is the starter terminal. L is for line, F is for field, A for armature. So this is the field. So this is the motor armature. Now already the connections are made as per the given, and now we are going to start how to conduct the experiment. So this is the first input MCB. This time on the MCB, then starter. When we are pressing the starter and to move left to right, so the motor now is in on position. So at the time you want to know the value. So the input voltage is here 240 voltage and current. So normally without load the current will draw around 3 amps. So now I am going to apply the load, then how it will be react in the amps and the voltage and correspondingly the speed. So now this is the spring balance load elements, we break them. So this is the S1 S2 slip ring loading. So gradually I am applying the S1 S2. You see the reading is changed from 0 to some value, and correspondingly the load current is also changed from 3 to the 4. So actually the load current, the motor rating is 18.6 amps. So that is the full load maximum rating. So within that we can operate the motor by adjusting the or applying the load to the brake drum. Correspondingly the voltage, current, the speed value also vary. So this is the experiment how we are going to done. So from that value we can easily calculate the load current of the load, so the efficiency of the motor by applying the calculation. So after applying the load, so I am releasing the S1 S2 again. So it comes to the original normal value. So this is the procedure to conducting the load test on DC shunt motor. After taking the reading, we are calculating the efficiency of the given DC shunt motor. Thank you.